Hello friends, this is Harsh, and today we'll be discussing a question asked in the GATE examination in 2016 in the subject of environmental engineering, right? And the question is from a topic known as BOD. So the question says the 2-day and 4-day BOD values of a sewage sample are 100 milligrams per liter and 155 milligrams per liter. The value of BOD rate constant is dash. So he is asking us to calculate the value of BOD rate constant. So in this question he says BOD2 is given to us as 100 milligrams per liter and BOD4 it is 155 milligrams per liter. So this BOD is for the same wastewater, right? For the same wastewater. So if I directly apply the formulas, we know the relation to calculate BOD. This BOD2 it is equal to L0 1 minus e to the power minus k into T, right? And then you have BOD4 equal to L0 1 minus e to the power again minus k into T. So here time is, let us suppose T1, here it is T2, here it is 2 days and here it is 4 days. And what he is asking us, to calculate this value of K, the rate constant for BOD, right? So let us calculate this value. So we have two expressions, right? I'll just divide these two expressions. This was 1 and this was 2, just dividing 1 divided by 2 and just substitute all the values. So BOD2, this is 100 divided by 155 equal to ultimate BOD for both is constant because the wastewater is same, so L0 and L0 will get cancelled. This is 1 minus e to the power minus 2 into k, because time period is 2 days. After 2 days we are calculating the BOD, divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 4k, right? But simply solving this particular equation, just by simply solving this equation, we will get the value of k, right? So if we have to solve this expression, what we can do is we can frame equations like this. If I take 100 below this 155, it becomes 1.55 and then just simply cross multiply. So when you cross multiply this and just rearrange this particular equation, you will get an equation as e to the power minus 4k minus 1.55 e to the power minus 2k plus 0.55 equal to 0, right? So we have an equation over here, and from this equation you have to calculate the value of k. So you can do it by any method. Let us suppose e to the power minus 2k, it is equal to x, and substituting this as x. So this becomes my x square, this becomes minus 1.55x, and this is 0.55 equal to 0, right? So this is again a quadratic equation. When you solve this quadratic equation, you will get two values of x, right? You will get two values of x. So the first value of x will come out to be 0.55 and next value will come out to be equal to 1. Next value will be equal to 1. So now which value to take? Let us solve this. We know that, let us take the first case, x equal to 0.55. What is x? X is nothing but this e to the power minus 2k equal to 0.55. So if you want to calculate this k, just take the log on both the sides. So if you take the natural log on both the sides, this becomes minus 2k, it is equal to ln of 0.55. ln of 0.55. So this k, from here, this k will come out to be equal to 0.295 day inverse. You are getting one value of k as 0.295 or 0.296 day inverse. And if you take the next case, x equal to 1, so e to the power minus 2k equal to 1. If you take ln on both the sides, it will be minus 2k equal to 0, because ln 1 is 0, and from here k is equals to 0, and this value of k can never be 0 because there is a reaction going on in the wastewater. So this k cannot be 0, so we will accept this value as the answer. So the final value of rate constant, it is approximately equal to 0.29 day inverse, right? So for this was the correct answer. Thank you.